Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another unboxing video. So I was gifted this lovely package from GENGLOW Box, and just like you, I am excited to see what is inside. So the box was a bit heavy, so I can definitely tell we are in for a treat. So if you know me, I am always here for packaging and great products. I'll also link to their website and Instagram page below in the description. Okay, so I'm just getting the box open and now it's time to see what is inside. Yeah, I am a sucker for packaging, and look how neat this is. And that is a thank you card and also a business card. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take the sticker off, and just like that, they won my heart. Let me show you. I definitely wasn't expecting so much stuff in this box, so we're gonna go through them one by one. So let's see. Okay, so I'm not sure what is inside, but it looks like a small gift because on the pouch it says thank you. So inside, I am like so shocked to see that these were actually hair clips. These are so cute, you know, great accessories to have in your hair. You can style it, you know, wear your clips. And there's another one with stones that is really cute as well. So I got two of those as a thank you. Now, if you have natural hair, a microfiber towel is a must-have. This material is so soft, and how cute is this purple color? It's so cute. And I also put the benefits on the screen so you can know why you need to have one. This is a detangling brush and it is a must-have, and it's perfect for all hair textures and detangles easily. So this is the Earth Supplied Moisture and Repair Leave-In Conditioner, which is made up with 20% African shea butter. So I also put the benefits on the screen, and I am so excited to try this. So let's smell. Definitely has a subtle smell. It's not too overbearing, and I found a cute gold hair grabber as well. Definitely a great accessory. So I actually got the Earth Supplied Moisture Repair Sulfate Free Shampoo as well, and you can see it is great too for coily and curly hair. I also put the benefits on the screen so you guys can see that too, and I also got another one. So up next, these are silk satin scrunchies. These are a must-have for preventing any breakage of the hair. Now the next one is the Earth Supplied Butter Rich Deep Treatment. Also put the benefits there on the screen for you guys. And in that little packet as well, it said it included a thermal cap. So I'm just cutting, making sure I don't actually cut the the item itself. But having a thermal cap though, it improves the results of your favorite deep conditioner, hair mask, oil, or any other hair treatment. So definitely this is a must have. And I can't wait to actually use these products and accessories for you guys. Be sure to follow me on Instagram because I'll be posting more videos there. So should you give GENGLOW a try, which you should, you can use my code. I'm gonna put it on the screen so you can save some money, and also I'll link everything in the description below. Thank you so much guys for watching another unboxing video with me. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share, leave a comment. Until next time, bye.